Types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning. So, supervised learning is a technique in which we teach or train the machine using data that is well labeled. So, to understand supervised learning, let us consider an analogy. As kids, we all needed guidance to solve math problems, and our teachers helped us understand what addition is and how it is done. Similarly, you can think of supervised learning as a type of machine learning that involves a guide. The labeled dataset is the teacher that will train you to understand patterns in the data, and here the labeled dataset is the training dataset. Types of supervised learning: regression, linear regression, classification, support vector machine, then logistic regression, and classification we have support vector machine and decision tree. Unsupervised learning. So, unsupervised learning involves training by using unlabeled data and allowing the model to act on that information without guidance. And the model learns through observation and finds structures in the data. And once the model is given a dataset, it automatically detects patterns and relationships in the dataset by creating clusters in it. And what it cannot do is add labels to the cluster. Like it cannot say this is a group of apples or mangoes, but it will separate all the apples from mangoes. Suppose we presented images of apples, mangoes to the model. So what it does, based on some patterns and relationships, it creates clusters and divides the dataset into those clusters. Now if a new data is fed to the model, it adds it to one of the created clusters. Then types of unsupervised learning are clustering and association. Clustering, we have hierarchical clustering, k-means clustering, and KNN clustering. And association, we have a priori algorithm and FP growth algorithm.